Joining an interior wall to an exterior wall the right way is key to keeping your house solid and your drywall corners looking sharp, you know? So, first off, you want to make sure you're nailing into the exterior studs because that's where the real strength is. Then, throw in a corner block or a blocking piece between the studs to give your drywall something sturdy to grab onto. Don't forget about using a metal corner channel or a drywall corner bead to help keep those edges tight and clean. It's super important to tie the plates of both walls together with screws or nails so they don't shift over time. Make sure everything is lined up perfectly for drywall backing. That means no gaps or uneven spots. You want the whole thing screwed in tight enough so it won't wiggle, but not so much that you damage the wood. If you're working with insulation, keep it snug but not squished around the joint. And finally, double check your corner with a level so it's straight before you close it up. One of the biggest mistakes people make with joining interior and exterior walls is not securing the plates properly, which can lead to wall movement and cracks in drywall. Fix that by always nailing or screwing through both top and bottom plates firmly. Another common issue is skipping the blocking or corner pieces, making drywall corners weak and prone to damage. Adding a solid block solves this instantly. The third problem is misaligning studs or plates, which messes up drywall installation and can cause air leaks. Always measure and line everything up before fastening. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right without the headache. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors to connect with people looking for quality work on their homes.